Okay, so what is HRSD? HRSD means HR Service Delivery. Okay, so first of all, in this lesson, we are going to learn about what is the scope of the HRSD. So if I will search here in the application with HR or human resource, so this many application we have: human resource core, human resource employee relation, human resource integration, human resource lifecycle enterprise, human resource lifecycle events. Okay. But before that, we will go to the plugin manager. When you are going to install the HRSD for client from scratch, first you need to install few of the plugins. So for that thing, we came under the plugin manager. Okay. Here I will search with human. So here you guys can see what all things we have installed in our lab instance. We have employee document management, human resource scope tab lifecycle events, human resource scope tab integration, we have human resource scope tab employee relationship, we have human resource scope tab lifecycle events, we have human resource core. That will be free. You can install in your PDI as well. Signature pad, we have human resource scoped app security, we have. Okay. And we have NLP, performance analytics, human resource scoped app data center. If you want that, you can install. But next thing, I will search with HR. And now you can see what all the things installed in our lab instance. All the paid things are also installed in our lab instance. Okay. Agent workspace, SNHR case, employee center core. Okay, Employee Center Pro. This is the main thing we have installed in our lab instance. So all of these are here. So these many things you guys need to install on your PDI. Okay. Agent workspace for HR case management, HR service delivery, mobile, HR taxonomy, SN underscore HR, case card, employee center core, employee center pro, employee center, journey designer, enterprise service management, integration framework, employee center core. Okay, this all the things you guys can use. Okay, it needs to be installed on the environment. Then only you can do the things. Okay, next we are going to see what all roles is needed or what all roles are there for HRSD. So for that thing, I will be search with the roles and we'll scroll down in the system security. We have this roles. I will open these roles. Here, I will bring the application. Okay, see, application is here. I will group it by application. So here is 57 application. So out of that, here we have HR, human resource. These are the application. Okay. So again, I will click on all. Here I will run a filter. That application contains HR or human. Okay. Or employee. Now I'll run it. So now we have all the role that is needed for the HRSD. See, now let me group it by application. So you guys can see for the application, okay, human resource core, we have this many of role, okay, SN underscore HR core, SN underscore HR core basic, SN underscore HR core underscore case reader, and all the things are given, okay, in the description. This role is needed for grants access to all HR information plugins plus admin privilege. This is needed for access to the basic HR agents for the daily work needs. Then case reader is for access to read all the case. Okay. Next thing you have that is write access. Okay, just because of without read access you can't check the write access, right? The same way it is configured over here. Okay. Next thing, content reader. All the content table they can read. Content writer they can update anything. So this all the role. Okay. New hire, KB writer, code manager, report creator, profile writer. This all roles are there. Okay. Human resource employee relations are here. Okay. In this application, you have SN underscore HR underscore ER dot admin. This is the admin role. So what I will do, I will download a Excel of this role. So you guys can go through this thing and you guys can understand for which reason what role is here. Okay, so let me quickly ungroup all of this and let me quickly download this, export to Excel. This is the note which you guys can get. Okay, so this is about the roles. Now we'll go to the groups. Again we'll come to the system administration. Here we have the groups. So you can see the groups, right? Okay. Same in the groups also we are trying to bring the application. Uh, 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 mm, no, not the application. In the name only, we'll search and we'll check that if there is anything with the HR. See, here we have the all the group HR leadership, HR delivery team, HR confidential, HR benefit, HR recruiting, HR payrolls. All 26 groups are here. Okay. Next, I will search with the human. There is nothing called human. So all the groups are there for HR only. So this export also I will just put to you guys. Okay, so you guys can see and you guys can understand that what all groups we are using in our HRSD module. Okay, so in the next video we are going to see one by one all the HR application and its table details. Okay. Again, I am in this video. Last thing I'm going to do that is navigate to you guys to the HRSD. So HRSD, sorry, not HRSD, human resource of why it is yeah, it came. HR case management is here. Sorry guys. Okay, actually I forgot the terminology. Next is HR profiles are there, then HR integrations are there, HR administrations are there, HR dashboard and reports are there. Then we have life cycle events, then we have performance analytics, which we are going to use in our HRSD, then we have HR agent workspace. Okay, this many until this I have covered. In the next video, we'll start with the HR case management. Okay, thank you.